Is your car heater blowing cold air? Is it a simple fix or a major repair? Well, stick around to find out. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Car, where we share helpful car repair and maintenance tips and tutorial videos. In today's video, we're going to talk about a problem that I've seen a lot over the years: your car heater blowing cold air. Now, this might seem like a minor inconvenience, but let me tell you, when it's freezing outside and your car is blasting cold air, it's no fun. In this video, we're going to answer some common questions about why your car heater might be blowing cold air and how to fix it. Trust me, you don't want to be driving around in the winter without a functioning heater. Not only is it uncomfortable, but it can also be dangerous if you're not able to defrost your windows. So, whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just looking to understand what's going on under the hood, stick around and let's get your car heater pumping out warm air again. So first of all, why will your car be blowing cold air when the heat is on? Well, there are a few common reasons for this issue. First, it could be a problem with the thermostat. Your car's thermostat is responsible for regulating the temperature of the engine and the coolant that flows through it. If it's not working properly, it could be preventing the coolant from getting warm enough to heat up the air blowing through your car's vents. Another common culprit is a malfunctioning heater core. The heater core is like a small radiator inside your car that helps to heat up the air before it gets blown through the vents. If it's clogged or damaged, it can prevent warm air from getting through. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so my car's heater is blowing cold air. It's not a big deal, right? Wrong. This is a serious problem, especially if you live in a colder climate. Not only is it uncomfortable to be driving around in a car that feels like a freezer, but it can also be dangerous if your windows are fogging up and you can't see properly. So, it's definitely something you want to get fixed as soon as possible. Don't worry though, in the next section we'll go over some simple fixes you can try to get your car heater blowing warm air again. How do you fix a heater that blows out cold air? So you've determined that your car's heater is blowing out cold air. Don't worry, there are a few things you can try before taking it into the shop. Let's go through some troubleshooting steps together. Step 1. Check the coolant level. Low coolant levels can prevent the heater core from getting enough warm coolant to heat up the air. You can check the level by looking at the coolant reservoir under the hood. If it's low, top it up with a 50-50 mixture of coolant and water. Step 2. Check the thermostat. A faulty thermostat can also prevent the coolant from getting warm enough. You can test the thermostat by running your car and monitoring the temperature gauge on the dashboard. If the gauge doesn't move or only moves slightly, the thermostat may be stuck open and is not allowing the engine to warm up properly. In this case, you'll need to replace the thermostat. Replacing the thermostat will require you to watch our other video on how to replace a car thermostat. You can search our video upload for that, and alternatively, you can hire a mechanic to do this for you, though it will cost money, but it is a much safer and quicker option in my opinion. Step 3. Check the heater core part. If the first two steps didn't solve the problem, it's likely an issue with the heater core. You can check if it's clogged by feeling the hoses leading to it. If one hose is hot and the other is cold, it's likely clogged and needs to be flushed out. You can try doing this yourself by disconnecting the hoses and flushing them with a hose. If that doesn't work, you may need to replace the heater core. Now, if you're not comfortable trying these DIY solutions, or if they didn't work, it's time to take your car into the shop. However, if you're able to fix the problem yourself, you can save yourself some money on labor costs. Plus, it's always satisfying to be able to fix something on your own. So basically, I will say that having your car heater blowing cold air can be a frustrating and uncomfortable experience, especially during the colder weather. However, the good news is that it doesn't always require major repair. By checking a few simple things, such as the thermostat, coolant levels, and heater core, you may be able to fix the issue yourself. However, if the problem persists, it's best to take your car to a professional mechanic who can diagnose and fix the issue for you. By addressing the issue early on, you can ensure that your car's heating system is functioning properly and keep yourself and your passengers warm and comfortable on the road. That is it for this video. Feel free to share any helpful information we've missed in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from our channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.